Hi, my name's Emily,
Hi, I'm Megan.
Hi, I'm Kelsey.
Hi, I'm Zach.
and our project today is based on mental health and advocacy for school-based programs. The abstract. The goal of this project was to promote students' mental and physical well-being and provide them with the skills needed to graduate from school. Our team strives to ensure that the school-based youth service program remains a support system for students along with the appropriate funding.
The agency is School-Based Youth Service Programs. It's managed under Preferred Behavioral Health Group and funded by the New Jersey Department of Children and Families. The program was established in 2000 and continues to provide extensive support to students and their families in the school settings. This accessibility encourages students to seek help they may otherwise not have access to. All services provided by school-based programs are free and confidential to students and their families.
The problem. So our major problem was that the school-based youth service programs funding was being cut. So we needed to raise awareness and get enough signatures on the bill to restore funding for these programs before October 1st.
Some of the services provided by the program include individual and group counseling, life skills, employment training, community support, preventative health, crisis intervention, peer leadership, recreation, and referrals. The topics addressed are school problems, depression and suicide, stress and anxiety, anger and aggression, family conflicts, relationships, and child abuse. School-based programs provide students with opportunities to participate in supportive and recreational community-centered after-school programs. These include Recreation Club, which students are able to engage in fun and healthy recreational activities that promote socialization, self-esteem, and relationship building. Gay Straight Alliance, students promote education, support, and advocacy surrounding issues of understanding and appreciating equality based on sexual orientation and gender identity. Voices, students engage in volunteering opportunities in the community to raise awareness of social needs and become an active member of society. And Strong, an empowerment group for young women to increase self-respect, confidence, assertiveness, and self-awareness. Any students, for referrals, any students that is willing to be a part of school-based programs will be accepted to receive services. Referrals can be made by group personnel such as guidance counselors, child study teams, principals, teachers, and other staff. Parents and community organizations are encouraged to contact the program directly.
Our team's SMART goal was to raise awareness for school-based youth service programs, cut funding by contacting legislators and Governor Murphy by sending them emails and sharing and signing petitions through social media. Each member of the team directly emailed their district legislators, signed the petition, and shared the petition on their social media accounts. I reached out to Senator Dawn Adiego, Assemblyman Ryan Peters, and Assemblywoman Jean Stanfield for my district.
I contacted Senator Chris A. Brown and Assemblyman John Armato and Vincent Mazzeo.
I
I
contacted
contacted both of the assemblymen, John Catalino and Gregory McGuckin, and then I also shared the petition, Save NJ School-Based Youth Service Programs, on my social media platforms to get signatures from any family or friends I followed to have them communicate with others too?
I contacted Senator James W. Holzapfel and Governor Murphy, and I shared the petition on my Instagram and Facebook for friends and family to sign. So our plan of action was to first get in contact with David Seeger, the director of the program, who helped us to establish a plan. He sent us documents that told us who our district senators were to contact and gave us the petition to share on our social media accounts.
So for our project, our outcomes ended up being pretty good because the one main goal we were trying to achieve was achieved, and that was to help the program receive the appropriate funding. We had some things that worked and some didn't. The main thing was that some of our senates and assemblymen in our district replied to us and some did not. So that was kind of the only problem we had. And overall, the service learning project was educational, I think, to everyone in our group. It taught us how to communicate professionally with people in our community and help solve a community problem together. When it comes to our course learning, I think we are all able to reflect on the problems we saw and errors we made and things that could be fixed in the future.
So in conclusion, our group was able to complete all of our main goals by communicating effectively amongst each other through the use of Zoom and FaceTime. We were also able to communicate with our district members through email and phone calls. Some answered, some didn't. However, our roles and responsibilities of each member were to contact the assemblyman and share the petition. As we mentioned before, we were able to do that easily and effectively. And we got confirmation from our assemblymen and women that the program was passed. So that was successful. Considering it is not ethical to cut funding for mental health programs, we truly felt the need for these programs to be in place, and which is one of the main reasons why we did this project. Without these programs, kids would not have the proper skills to cope with the struggles of everyday life. And overall, we felt that our team was able to collaborate very well together because we broke up the work for each person based off the district they live in. No one was assigned the same role, which allowed for exceptional teamwork, and everyone had the freedom to communicate with the members of that community to their preference. And that ends our project.